Are you looking for information about Rapid City Paintless Dent repairs? You are in the right place. Paintless Dent Repair is a highly sought-after solution for those seeking quality service without the usual time and cost associated with traditional auto body repairs. Many customers make mistakes when looking for paintless dent repairs. The first is choosing the cheapest option without doing adequate research. This often leads to poor quality service. Another mistake is failing to check online reviews. A reputable repair shop will have positive feedback, which is essential for ensuring you receive high-quality service. Lastly, many overlook warranties. Always ask about guarantees on repairs. It's a sign of a professional service that stands by its work. How much does paintless dent repair cost? Prices vary based on the size and severity of the dent, but it's generally more affordable than traditional repair methods. Is paintless dent repair effective for hail damage? Absolutely. It's one of the best methods for restoring vehicles after hailstorms. Call us now for a free quote at 605-600-5236. For more information, check out our website www.rapidcitypdr.autodenthq.com/home with the best paintless dent repair services today.